Your Highness, a ceasefire between Aceh and the Indonesian government came into force at the beginning of June. It lasts for 3 months. Are you happy with the way the ceasefire is being carried out?
We are not satisfied with the result because the Indonesian army and police keep on intimidating my people. As a result, the international aids cannot be delivered to the needy Acehans.
Your movement is fighting for independence for Aceh, and President Wahid's government in Jakarta has offered you more autonomy. Can you envisage accepting a greater degree of autonomy rather than full